Good morning, children. Welcome to Kerala Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, we have completed the ratios lesson, concept about ratio, and today let's know about proportion. Suppose in a home, 10 persons or 10 members, if they drink 3 glass of drink, for 30 members, how much or how many glass of drink it has to be need. So if like these questions, in this moment, what will happen? For 10, there are 3 glass of drink. For 30, how many glass of drinks? So like this, in these terms, proportion means there should be equality between both the ratios. Here one ratio and here one ratio. These are like equivalent fractions. See, 10 by 3 is equal to 30 by x. 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. We have multiplied here by 3. 10 3s are 30. So here also we should multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. These ratios are like equivalent fractions. Now 30 by 9 is the equivalent fraction of 10 by 3. So like this, the expression which is there in the fraction, here they have shown in the ratios. And here there are 4 terms, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term and 4th term. First and the 4th, this one and this one, these terms are called extremes. Extremes and middle, these two are called third and second and third are called means. Okay, if the given example, if it is proportion, what it will be there? The product of extremes 10 into x is equal to the product of means. That should be equal. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. It has to be 10x is equal to 10x. 330s are 90. Or else you can write 3 into 30 as it is. X is equal to 3 into 30. This 10 will come here. 10 1s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 3 3s are 9. So this term will become 9 is the answer. Now these are in proportion. If the product of extremes is equal to product of means, then that will be proportion. That will be in proportion. Now let's check the product of extreme is equal to the product of means. Extremes means this one and this last one. Middles are called as means. 10 9s are 90. 33s are 90. Now see, LHS is equal to RHS. So the given example is in proportion. Okay, what the proportion is, have you understood? Proportion means both the side, the product of extremes will be always equal to the product of means. Now just see the examples given in your practice. 5.2. First one, circle the means in the following. A, 2 is to 5, 10 is to 25. Circle the means in the following. So these two are means. B, 1 is to 4, 8 is to 32. C, 20 is to 40, then 16 is to 32. D, these are the means. Second one, circle the extremes in the following. A, 2:4, 4:8. Extremes are 2 and 8. B, 4:5, 16:20. These two are extremes. Then C, D, Find the missing numbers in each of the following. Third one. Find the missing numbers. A, x by 10. First question, x by 10, A, x by 10 is equal to 6 by 20. Now find the missing numbers in each of the following. Now we don't know x. Yes, we know this 10 is equal to 620. You know that proportion that this one is x is to 10 is equal to 6 is to 20. Product of the means is equal to product of the extremes. So now we don't know the extreme, we'll take that 20 into x is equal to 10 into 6. I want x, so pass this 20 to this side, so here it is multiplication. If it comes to the RHS, it will become division. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So x is equal to 3. I hope you understood. Or else you can do the cross multiplication also. Now it is proportion, so we need to take the ratios only. Or else to verify the answer is correct or not, you can do cross multiplication. 10 into 6, x is equal to 10 into 6 by 20. 10 ones are 10 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. Both are same. Next, B, 2 by 3 is equal to x by 12. 2 is to 3 is equal to x is to 12. Now we don't know the means, mean one. So 3 into x is equal to 2 into 12. 3x is equal to 2 into 12. X we want. So 2 into 12. 3 is multiplied here. It will come for the denominator. 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. 4 twos are 8. So x is equal to 8 is the answer. Next, C, 50 by 150 equal to 3 by 1. 50 is to 150, 3 is to 4. Now 50 by 150, this is y. 50 into y, the product of extreme is equal to the product of means. Y we want 150 into 3 divided by this 50 will come down. So this 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Y is equal to 9 is the answer. Next, D. 6 by 5 is equal to 48 by 1. 6 is to 5 is equal to 48 by. So product of extreme is equal to the product of means. Y is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48, 5 8s are 40. Y is equal to 40 is the answer. So this is nothing but simplification. 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. So then 5 8 is remaining. 5 8s are 40. Y is equal to 40. E 2 by 5 is equal to x by 20. 2 is to 5 equal to x is to 20. 2 into 5, product of 2 is to 5 is equal to x is to 20. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. I want x, so 5 will send here. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8. So x is equal to 8 is the answer. F x by 10 is equal to 27 by 30. X is to 10 is equal to 27 is to 30. Multiplication of extremes is equal to multiplication of means. X equal to 10 into 27 by 30. 10 1s are 10 3s are. Next x is equal to 3 1s are 3 7s are 3 8s are 3 9s are 3 9s are 27. So x is equal to 9 is the answer. Next, fourth question. Which of the following proportions are equivalent? That we need to identify. Fourth question. Which of the following proportions are equivalent? A. 1 is to 2. Proportion of 1 is to 10. So now we have to identify the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. Product of extremes is equal to the product of means. 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is an equivalent proportion. Which of the following proportions are equivalent? Equivalent. This is an equivalent proportion. B. 15 is to 25. Proportion to 20 is to 25. 15 into 25 is equal to 25 into 20. Now 15 25 you should check. Do the multiplication. 5 5 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 7, 37, 375. Now 25 zeros are 0, 25 2s are 50. So this is not an equivalent fraction. This is not equivalent proportion. Okay, next C. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. 10 25s are 250, 5 0 0, 5 5s are 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is an equivalent proportion. D. 12 is to 16 proportion to 14 is to 24. Product of extreme. Here I did mistake. I think 15 into 25, 25 into 20. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. 12 24s are. So 12 4s are 4, 12 2s are 24 plus 4, 28. Next 14, this you have to multiply. So 2, 2, 4. These are not equal to, LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not an equivalent proportion. Okay, next. Fifth one, find the missing numerals in the following. Find the missing numerals in the following. A 24 1. Again, product of extremes equal to the product of means. Y is equal to 8 into 24 by 6. 6 1s are 6 4s are 8 4s are 32. So y is equal to 32 is the answer. Then B, x is to 15, 25 is to 75. The product of extreme is equal to the product of means. X equal to 15 into 25 by 75. So 15 on the table is there. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So I is the answer.